Packing your whole gaming set every time you're going on a trip should not require a massive investment in effort. That's why travel functionality plays such a huge part in PentaCarry's design. PentaCarry comes with Tech Pouch for organizing your daily tech items, such as chargers and portable storages, Packing Cube for organizing your clothes and travel gear, Dope Kit for organizing your toiletries, Keyboard Case for your keyboard and mouse pad. The bag features a modular system, allowing gamers and creatives the flexibility to carry all their gear, and also to pack their other non-gaming travel essentials, all in just one bag. No more check-in luggage or wrapping your gear in towels. There's no two ways about it. Many gamer backpacks are just not designed for your everyday journey. We believe your bag is the last piece in the puzzle to complete your look. Our products are designed to complement your style, not define it. From the outdoors to the city, for the traveler and for the 9-to-5er, introducing PentaCarry, the gamer backpack that has found the right balance between function and fashion. While we appreciate and value practicality, we believe that marrying it with style isn't just possible, but it should be the norm. With this Kickstarter campaign, we hope to make PentaCarry a reality and continue realizing our goal of bridging the divide between form and function. Why settle for other gaming accessories when you could be proudly sporting a professionally made, stylish backpack that celebrates who you are and gives you the true competitive edge? PentaCarry by Ridgebake. Carry all, let's go.
Take PUBG or Fortnite. With so many key combinations, it can be difficult to act quickly. We all need an edge. Tilted gives you this with its intuitive operation. Tilted doesn't replace your keyboard or mouse. It enhances your gaming experience. Tilted is not a hack or cheat. A high-end gaming mouse allows the user to bind keys to buttons. Tilted does the same, but utilizes the natural motion of your body. This movement gives you the added advantage of avoiding fatigue from long gaming sessions. Tilt left or right, and your character follows. Lower your head to crouch, raise it to stand. Look up for recovery drink. Lean back to zoom out, lean forward to zoom in. Set gestures to the keys that you need most, or to mimic real-life actions. The possibilities are infinite. Tilted provides more effective, precise control and gives you tactical advantages. While Tilted is perfect for complex control games, it can be utilized with any game that requires a keyboard. Tilted is available in matte white, matte black, and glossy white. Tilted's proprietary gyro sensor and custom designed circuitry were built from the ground up to ensure flawless operation. It continuously tracks your movements and transmits them to your computer wirelessly. Tilted's innovative magnetic mount makes it incredibly simple to attach and remove. Calibration starts when the device is attached to the 2mm thin magnetic pad. In less than 3 seconds, the user is alerted by vibration that they are ready to game. This process allows you to sit and move naturally. No need to change the way you wear your headset. Tilted adjusts to your style every time. A single charge can last 20+ hours, perfect for gaming marathons. With Tilted, you will enjoy more advanced gameplay. Accurate, convenient, and smooth. You should get Tilted. Back Tilted on Kickstarter today.
Introducing Gemini, the most affordable portable touchscreen monitor. As working professionals, we enjoy working on big monitors or multiple screens at home or in the office. But in nowadays' busy life, we are required to be more flexible and bring our work everywhere. Coffee shops, hotel rooms, airports, we are always on the go. So we made Gemini to achieve maximum productivity anywhere at an affordable price for everyone. Gemini is a 15.6-inch monitor with built-in battery and a patent-pending kickstand for more convenience. Unlike other monitors that drain out the battery of your computer, it can even charge your phone. Gemini is the ideal companion for businessmen and travelers, as well as creative people working with graphic applications, designers, architects, photographers, filmmakers, or for people who just want to have fun and enjoy gaming. Perfect for Nintendo Switch, Xbox, or PlayStation. Based on your preference, you can use it in horizontal or vertical mode. It works with Android smartphones. You can finally have a more convenient way to check your emails, stream videos, or play games. Gemini has a solid all-metal frame design and is light, easy to carry, and convenient to use. Just plug and play. No need to install any software. You can either extend your monitor to get a better overview or mirror your screen so you can share with colleagues or clients. It's compatible with all laptops and very versatile, as we included all the ports you need: HDMI, Type-C, USB, and Mini HDMI. Gemini is available in two versions: the Full HD with touchscreen feature and the Ultra HD with astonishing display details, so you can choose whatever works best for you. We developed a product that is affordable and gives you more freedom and flexibility. Please support us and get more productive with Gemini.